I was gifted this belt to show you why this is going to be your favorite new running partner. So for starters, I do want to say to make sure that you triple check the right size before you get it. This is a medium, and I personally think that I need a large. So I am typically like a size like 1X. And this is a size medium and it still fits me, and I'm still going to show you all the features, but I did want to tell you to make sure that you check the sizing so you can see which size is going to be best for you. So let's go ahead and put it on. I know a lot of people were questioning if it could fit over your clothes, and yes, it can. So it is adjustable by the Velcro here. So if you need more space, then you can just kind of put it like here. And then if you want it tighter, then you can take up more space on this side. So this is how it's going to be adjustable. So I'll go ahead and put this on over my shirt and my high-waisted shorts. So I'm gonna do it about like right here. And I just wanna show you as far as like how tight it actually fits and how well, so you can feel confident it's not going to fall down. Even when I'm pulling like this, you can see this belt is not coming down. So that's a really big plus. I walk a lot. Sometimes I go running, and obviously you want to make sure your stuff is not going to be falling. So here is the full belt. This belt can fit so many different things. You have 3 different zipper pockets. You have the one up here, which is going to be the deepest. And then you have a second pocket here for anything. Oops, it was already unzipped. And then you have a second pocket here, which is a little bit more shallow. You have like a little hidden pocket here. You can hardly tell there's even a pocket unless you know. And you can strap your key to this little clip here, which is really handy. And then over here, you have the third zipper pocket, where if you have like a small water bottle, you can pop this in here as well. As far as like what you put in here, obviously you can put whatever you want as long as it's size appropriate. I personally like to always have chapstick on me. So that's something that I like to put in the bottom pocket here, in the more shallow pocket. And then of course you also have your cell phone. I know a lot of people are worried about the size of the phone. Even if you have, let's say like an iPhone, if you have like the Max, it will fit in here as well. So this is the iPhone 17 Max. And you can see that this will fit into the top pocket just fine. All good, even when I zip it up. So like I said, you can fit whatever you want in here depending on what you like to walk with, run with. And then like I said, over here, if you have like a small water bottle, you can fit this in here as well. Oh. So here you can see I have the small water bottle. Now, obviously, keep in mind as you are piling things into this belt, yes, it can fit a lot of things in here, but you do want to be mindful about what's going to actually be comfortable whenever you are running, right? So if you don't want to have, you know, like your chapstick or something sticking to you, then like don't put a ton of stuff in there. You'll have to kind of figure out what feels the best. But even with all of this in here, like nothing is like stabbing me or poking me. If you are going to be walking or running with this on your skin, the best part is that this material here is actually really, really soft and smooth, and they kind of have this like protective barrier here, so like nothing's going to scratch you. But obviously I wouldn't run with anything that's going to be really like pointy or sharp, just to be on the safe side. And just so you have a size reference, this is the water bottle that I put in that pocket beside a typical 16.9 ounce bottle of water. The material is also going to be water resistant. You know, I definitely wouldn't, you know, like dunk it in like a tub of water, or in this, I wouldn't swim with this or anything like that. But if you do happen to get caught in the rain or something like that, you can feel confident with your belongings on the inside. So yeah, this is a really cool belt. Like I said, I personally would have gone up a size, but even so, it's not like this thing is like squeezing me to death. And keep in mind, you do want a secure fit so that it is going to be comfortable and it's going to actually be fitted to your body whenever you are out on your run. But great product, and I highly recommend it.